Okay, walking finger study. So let's read it before we play it, and then we'll do it in little bits. So we're starting off with A, and we're only going up and back and forth. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Rest and lift. B, C, B, C, B, C, B. Rest and lift. C, D, C, D, C, D, C. Rest and lift. B, C, B, C. Watch out here. B, C, D, B. Do you see how we have a jump from this line to this line? So watch out. B, C, D, B. Then next line, A, B, A, B. Another skip. A, C, E, E. A, B, A, B, A. All right, let's take the first two measures. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Then lift, okay? 1, 2, let's see that finger first. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Let's play that. Ready, go. A, B, A, B, A, B, A. Lift. And then we have B, C, B, C, B, C, B. Ready, go. B. All right, let's do that whole first line. Ready, go. Lift. All right, now let's look at the second line. C, D, C, D, C, D, C. Let's play that. Then we go on to the next part. B, C, B, C, B, C, D, B. So let's play that part right there. Ready, go. B, C, B, C, B, C, D, B. All right, now let's do all of that second line. So C, D, C, D, C, D, C, lift. B, C, B, C, B, C, D, B. Second line, play it. Ready, go. Oh, sorry, second line, second finger. Ready, go. Lift. 1. Skip here. Good. Now the third line is like the beginning a little bit, that first measure is, and then we have that arpeggio. So A, B, A, B, A, C, E, E. So let's do the first two measures of the third line. A, B, A, B, A, C, E, E. Good. Then A, B, A, B, A. Good. Now let's do that whole third line. Ready, go. All right, now let's do the whole thing, all of walking finger study. 1, 2, ready, go.